I just wanted to go at how to create a plot of base station readings. Okay, so if I'm going to import my data, I go data, import ASCII. I'm not going to import it into the current database. So let me look forward. No, sorry, this is what I'm going to call my database. So I know I try to keep my database names the same as the file names that I am bringing in. You might have to look back to figure out what those are. I'm bringing the C file here. So if you keep them the same, it's just so much easier later on. Okay, I'm saving it. I'm clicking OK. And now I'll navigate to the file. And this is a template. So I've actually been importing a few of these. So it's created a template. But if you wanted to create your own, you click on Create Template. And you can see I'm scrolling down here. I'm looking where my header rows end and my data starts in line 7. So I'm going to start import on 7. Sometimes this could be 1 or 2 off. Clicking Next. That's picking up my different columns at white space delimited. So I'm going to click Next. And then for the headers, so it's taking this line here, or it should be. No, it's picking up something else as the channel names. So my first channel here is time, so for the time, and I wanted to know the format here is a time format. So if I go down here to time, mine is this last one. None of them are separated by semicolons. My hours, minutes, and seconds are all together, so I click on that format. Next column here, I'm just going to call it base underscore station. You can't put spaces. I'm also going to copy that and put it under label because that'll affect what is plotted on my plot on my base station. And I actually don't care too much about SQ, but if you want, you could just call it that for finality. Click finished, click OK, and it should import it here. And you can see it's recognized this time format. Okay, so I'm just going to click on base station here and go edit. And I want to put units are going to be nanotesla. That'll show up on my plot. And I want to take away the decimal places. I'm going to set it to 0. I'll click OK. And so you see what happens now is if I right click and go show profile, it shows my base station profile down here. But let's put this time column as the x-axis. So when you click on the screen, click on where the plot area is, click on x-axis options, choose time, click OK, and now time's displayed at the bottom. You can see I've got a few spots at the beginning here, probably when people were close to the base station setting up. So just scroll through until your values become relatively constant. You can see that in the constant. Right click on the other ones, go right click, delete macros, and it deletes those columns. Sorry, those rows. And now I'm going to plot it up. So what I do is I right click on the plot area and I go plot profile figure. Click OK. I'm not going to fill in any of those faces. And you can see it plots it up quite nicely for you. There's that base station title we put in there, the units. You can see here it's got file as this x-axis. We'll go change it now. And there it's plotted your values. And the main thing is you want to see there's not a change of over 40 nanoteslas. And there is just about 12. Let's just go fix that x-axis option. Click node and save. Bang. Yeah, oh, sorry, it's for the time. I'm clicking on time, right click edit. I forgot to change this. Let me say this is first one is the name of this column. Next one is the label that will go on the plot. So I'm keeping them both the same. Click OK, right click, plot. Okay. Overwrite it, yes. And then that's pretty good. And that time was from 10 till that was 12. And so I'm going to export that and go map, export. I like PNG, JPEG, I don't know, fine, sometimes the formatting changes, dots per inch. The main thing for dots per inch, I always used to put 150, a friend told me that. Sometimes for images, they can be very big. You just need to look down here what your estimated size of these. I think mine's always on 80 because a lot of the color images can get quite big, so 80 is good. But you can see this image is going to be small. Right now, I'm just keeping the default check clicked on viewed regions, or what you see on the screen. So here, export, and I click OK. Ask me where I want to save it. Save it, obviously, in case you want to find it, and also save it. So here, again, I use the name that I have from the original database file, and the one that I used on my database in Excel and in Geosoft. Click OK, and it's export.